traumatizing. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now. Yeah, can't do but to set some money and turning one, trying to leave it all here. Like, baby, yeah, like, yeah. Bringing up to my place.